how complicated is weight loss? And now I can kind of see where he's getting at with this whole easy term he's throwing around. He might mean simple. Weight loss is simple. It's not easy. I wouldn't use that term, but it is simple, and you should make it as easy and as simple on yourself as possible. And what I mean by that is, number one, we have got to be focused on calories in and calories out. So we have to know what is coming into the body. We need to be food logging. If you're not food logging, get to food logging, because you have to know what's coming in. That way, you know how much exercise you should be doing. And really, your exercise, it is whatever your exercise is. If you can exercise 5 days a week, go ahead and do that. And then you'll know how many calories to take in. If you're losing weight, then you just keep with your calories that you've been taking in. If you've been eating 1,600 calories and you're losing a pound of body fat a week, keep it up. There's no reason to change. If you are, maintaining, which is a common thing, you rarely are you going to be working out and making all these changes and gaining. It might be water, it might be your body freaking out or something, to give it time. Usually you're not going to be gaining. But if you are maintaining, then you would want to adjust your calories. If you're taking in 1,800 calories, or we'll say, if you're a male taking in 2,200 calories and you're working out and you are finding that you're just stagnant for 2 weeks in a row, 3 weeks in a row, well, it's time to drop those. Probably if you're completely flat, probably about 500 calories. So, you'd want to make that adjustment, but it's really that simple. You eat less, you exercise more. I don't want to make it sound easy, but it is that simple. And exercise, we can get into, in other videos of mine, and in the future, we can get into best types of cardio and stuff like that. But cardio is good for fat burn. It burns straight up calories. Whenever you go into the gym and you are burning the most calories possible, you are probably doing cardio. You're not going to burn a bunch of calories lifting weights. So lifting weights is the worst way to lose body fat. Why would you do it then? I said this a little bit earlier in the video, and that is that you want to spare your muscle, because the best way, the most calories come from the rest of your day. No matter how hard your workout was, you're going to burn more calories existing the other 23 hours of the day, or 22, however many hours you worked out, however many hours are left in the day, you are going to be burning the most calories during those hours. Your muscle helps you burn more calories. Just sitting there and existing, just laying down, sleeping, eating, anything you're doing, you're burning more because of your muscle. So you want to keep your muscle. It's very important to weight lift for long-term progress. You don't want to lose your muscle, lose your metabolism, and get stuck. But the best way to lose weight is cardio. So calories in, calories out, do more cardio if you're not losing weight, or lower your calories, or best of both worlds, a combination of both, and you will lose weight. It's as simple as that.